Welcome! In this video, you'll learn step-by-step how to close and open archived chat on the WhatsApp app for PC after the recent update. If you've been exploring the new features or simply trying to keep your conversations organized, this quick guide will show you exactly what to do. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and that your account is connected so you can access all of your chats. Once you're inside, take a look at the left side menu. Here you'll see an option labeled Archived. This is where all of your stored conversations are kept. Click on it to enter the Archived Chats section. Inside the archived folder, you'll find all the chats you've previously moved out of your main screen. The next step is to locate the specific conversation you want to close. Simply scroll through until you find the one you're looking for, then click to open it. Once the chat is open, move your mouse over the conversation in the list, and then right-click. A menu will appear giving you several options to manage that chat. From this menu, select Close Chat. This will instantly return the conversation to its closed state within the archived folder, helping you keep everything neat and tidy. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, opening WhatsApp, going to Archived, opening the desired chat, right-clicking, and selecting Close Chat, you can manage your archived conversations with just a few clicks. This feature is especially helpful if you use WhatsApp on PC for both work and personal use, keeping active chats clear while still being able to store older conversations in the archive. Being able to close archived chats smoothly means you can stay focused only on the conversations that matter most at any given time. Now you know exactly how to close an open archived chat on WhatsApp PC with the latest update.